Okay, in this video we are going to understand about the arrow functions, or I would say fat arrow function. So let's try to take a very simple example. I'll say function sum a comma b, and I'll say return a plus b. This is the typical body of a function. So if I want to do console.log sum 1 comma 2, just to check if I'm right, it should say, okay, obviously that is not defined, so it is saying 3, which is obviously understandable. But what I can do with the help of arrow functions, I can do something like this. I can say const, and now I'm going to keep it as a comment. I'll say const sum equals to a comma b, a plus b. I'll copy this line and I'll paste it here, and I'm getting a call. Yeah, so you can see no difference, 1 plus 2, or I can keep it as 12. So obviously I'm getting 13, so no difference. The only difference here is instead of using this, I'm using this function. Okay, so I have not written this keyword of function. Then these are the parentheses. In the parentheses I'm passing the parameters, then I'm saying arrow, and then the body of the function. Now if I have just one single statement which is returning, I can do something like this as well. I'll just comment out everything. I'll say const sum equals to a comma b, a plus b, and I'll say console dot log sum 1 comma 5, and you can see I'm getting 6. So here this is one, I would say, one of the shortest way of representing an arrow function. So I'm just doing sum equals to a comma b equals to arrow a plus b.